Ms. Richa Mishra, Inspector CRPF, she has created 3 national records. So these are all national records. National records in 3 swimming events in Asian Championship held in Tokyo, Japan, and she's received a check of 1,50,000. Arjuna Award. Ms. L. Sarita Devi, boxer, Inspector Manipur Police. For her excellence in this field, she is receiving 50,000 rupees. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. Ms. M.C. Marycom, she too is a boxer and Inspector of Manipur Police. She is recipient of prestigious Padma Shri Award in 2003, Arjuna Award in 2006. She has also won the World Boxing Championship 4 times in succession. And she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award this year, and she has been given 1 lakh rupees. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, 2 people who are not present here today. One is Yogeshwar Dutt. He is Deputy SP of Haryana Police. And the other is Vijendra Singh. He is Deputy SP of Haryana Police. Both, one got Arjuna Award and Vijendra Singh was given Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. He's the same Vijendra Singh who also got a bronze medal in the Olympics, Beijing Olympics. Unfortunately, they are not here, so their checks are being received by Shri Rajveer Singh, Sub-Inspector of Haryana Police.
Chairman of the All India Police Sports Control Board, Shri Rajiv Mathur, Special Director IB, DG CRPF, DG NSG, Secretary of the Board, senior police officers, award and medal winners. I'm very happy to be here for a police function of a different kind. I think it's important that we honor and encourage our sports persons. And I think both the police forces and the armed forces can, even within their limitations, do a lot to promote sports. There's a lot of awareness of sports today. More and more children are taking to various games. There are more and more channels that are broadcasting sporting events. And there's a great kinship that is developing between the viewer and the sports persons. Within our capacity, we must encourage young sports persons. We must encourage them to remain in the sport and try to set higher standards. I hope that as they grow older and they cease being active sports persons, many of them will find useful places as coaches and as trainers in the sport in which they have achieved excellence. There was a proposal that we should give them a faster track in promotion. I have looked into it and I've made a suggestion. I think if that suggestion is accepted, it's likely that orders will be issued in the next few days, giving a faster track to those who have to be promoted. The Arjuna Award, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award are awards of the government to recognize sports persons. But there's no greater award than winning in a game. Winning is all that matters. And I think we should, as a nation, aim to win, especially in competitive sports, with better food, better nutrition, better medicine, better trainers, better coaches, better playing conditions. I think the day is not far off when we can win a handful of medals in any competition. China has shown it can be done. And you have shown that in a world sporting event where 52 countries participate, you can win 68 medals, of which 35 are gold medals. I congratulate you. I offer you my best wishes. I urge you to remain actively engaged in the sport as long as you can. And when you cease to be an active player, I urge some of you at least to take up coaching and training so that the next generation of sports persons can emerge from your ranks. Once again, my warmest congratulations and good wishes.